Have you ever wondered what it takes to be a Tradefada partner? Well, for a start, you'll need a valid website, a verified account on the Tradefada website, and a valid email address which must also be registered on Tradefada website. Visit tradefada.com and click on Become Partner. Scroll up and click on Register to get a code. Next, fill the partnership form. An email will be sent to you. Click on the link to verify your account. Go back to login. Scan the QR code with your Authenticator app. We suggest you use Google Authenticator, which you can get on the Android Store or Apple Store. Note, this setup is only done on your first login. Enter the 6-digit code and click on Proceed. Once you're logged in, you will be required to submit your email address or ID so that your account can be reviewed and verified. Please note, you must have a Tradefada account. A public key is automatically generated for you on registration. This will become active when your account has been approved. To get the key, click on Account Settings and click on Configuration. Once your account has been approved, you will get a mail partnership update. Go back and click on Documentation and follow the instructions to easily add the widget to your website. Voila! You have finally become a partner with Tradefada.